welcome back to my channel. Dassahmariee here, and I'm going to be doing a hair review on this hair right here. I was sent this hair from AToZWIG. I love it. I'm super excited about this. You guys, I love the length of it right here. You guys can see how long it is. I'm going to go ahead and turn it around so you can see the back. And this, how the hair looks right now, is actually after I've already gone out, ran my errands and everything. Haven't even rebrushed or anything, and look how good it looks. I only brushed it early this morning. Now it's the end of the day and the hair still looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the packaging. It came in, it says AToZWIG in this pink packaging, which you guys I really love. And it came on this little piece. You know, it has this inside. The wig was also in this little baggie to keep it all together. And the thing I love about AToZ wigs is they do come with wig caps. So if you guys are someone that likes to wear wig caps, you can wear the little wig cap that comes with it. It does have the paperwork about this wig. I will tell you guys all the info. And what I also like is it comes with this little card, AToZ Wigs, and it helps you get a $10 cash back, which I love, and just a whole bunch of great things. So definitely check it out. The wig comes with the warranty, which is good. And about this, for the checklist, the hair does not get tangled easy. It's true to length. It has density to it. The texture is as described on Amazon. The style is exactly the same as the pictures, and the color is as described, which is a 1B, and it does not shed. Like, actually I could like run my fingers through it. It does not shed. Even doing this, like, look at that, no shedding or anything like that, which I really love. And you guys, I'm just loving how this hair looks. So like I said, if you guys are interested in this wig, definitely check out this description below. I will have all the information if you guys are interested in purchasing it yourself. Also, I'm going to show you guys, it does come with a pre-plucked part already. Now this morning I did put a little bit of eyeshadow on the part to make it a little bit more better, but you guys, I don't think it's going to get any better than this. It's actually really light. The eyeshadow helped a little bit, but not as much. I don't mind wigs looking wiggy or having the pre-plucked part. It doesn't bother me at all. It might bother you guys, but for me, I think that it's fine. So I'm definitely showing you guys this, and let's go ahead and get into the wig. This is the wig off. You guys can see right here. See the pre-plucked part right here, and then the inside, it does come with 2 combs at the top. It does come with the adjustable straps on the bottom, as you guys can see, and then it has the tracks that are inside it. So you guys can see how long the wig actually is. Super long, super good length, and I just really love it.